Ready to hit the pitch on your PC? Here's your ultimate guide to downloading and installing EA Sports FC24. First things first, you'll need to own the game digitally. Head over to the official EA Sports website or your preferred trusted PC game store, like Steam or the Epic Games Store, where FC24 is available for purchase. Once purchased, you'll need a platform to manage and launch your game for EA Sports FC24. This is the EA app, previously known as Origin. If you don't have it installed, you'll be prompted to download and set it up during the purchase process. With the EA app installed, navigate to your game library. You should see EA Sports FC24 listed there. Select the game, and you'll find a download or install button prominently displayed. Before the download commences, it's crucial to check if your PC meets the minimum system requirements. You can find these details on the game store page. Ensure your graphics card, processor, RAM, and storage space are sufficient for a smooth gameplay experience. The download size is substantial, so make sure you have a stable internet connection. The EA app will handle the download and initial setup automatically. Once the download is complete, the install button will change to play. Click that play button, and you're ready to conquer the virtual football world. Enjoy EA Sports FC24 on your PC.